my choices. I can click here, I can click there, I can click there, I can go here, and I can just drag it off right from that page. So your goal as a good marketer, if you have 2 or 3 types of products, then you have different colors for the same month, right? So how much you sold. The next month is going to be, different graph. Next month is different graph. Obviously, your goal to see is going up, right? The promotional results analysis folder, which has that sheet which I've given you, plus whatever promotion he used, and all his details of the promotion are recorded here, so he knows which promotion performs and which doesn't. Let's talk about lifetime value of your customers. This is the key for design.